here on Tom's Javelin on Pierre. I did get our brake pedal push rod situation addressed yesterday. It's pretty nice now. We're gonna have to adjust it one more time, obviously, when we have actual brake fluid and pressure and all that. That done. Chasing all this wiring. What a disaster. I think this is for the dome lights. It appears to be. I do need to pull these out, but there's two switches. It's like dome lights, and then it draws power, and it references the door switches. And it's a big, hot mess. So I get to chase this down. I also noticed that somebody fiddly didn't hear. I need to see where this orange is leading me. I think that's the backup light switch. I gotta make sure. But I did remove the aftermarket little gauges under the dash, so that situation's resolved. But we're coming along. Alright, so now we know why this whole hokey mess here is been constructed. Because somebody broke off the wire on the door switch, which we discovered earlier. Oh boy. So now I get to figure out what hack work is done in here. So I can get this stuff back out. So I can remove this mess. Fun, but I did put her switch in. I'm gonna have to repair that. But let me check the clearance on the switch. Make sure the door closes. So we don't break the switch off. Yep. Good to go. Okay, well, the switch is in at least. Now to chase that wiring.